Hi friends, this is Dr. Saxena, and we are going to discuss something about this word called chelation therapy, which I believe this is one of the important modalities when I am trying to work on any chronic disease for that matter. Chelation therapy. Chelation therapy is a procedure that involves various use of chelating agents, either orally, transdermally, or through injection process. Injection, I mean to say intravenous injection, to remove the heavy metals. Heavy metals usually, what heavy metals I'm talking about is the toxic minerals from the body. So, what are the various compounds we try to use it? Usually, when I work on this chelation therapy, I have 3 4 things in the mind when I start working on this. The first thing is how well the person's detox systems are working. When I say how well the detox systems are working means, yes, uh, how much the patient is sweating. Is he sweating or he is not sweating? Number one. Is he passing stools? Like the bowel movements, how regular are they? Is he having constipation? He's going once or twice a day. What is the consistency of the stool he has got? And what is the color of the UP? What is the color of the urine he is passing? If it's really concentrated, it's very yellowish. It's normally we believe for our detox systems to work, God has given us 4 detox systems which is intrinsically built. One is the hepatobiliary system and the colon. The whole GI tract is it works as a excretory organ. It tries to take away a lot of bad stuffs and take it out through the feces. The second one is the urine, the kidneys. Kidneys are the most powerful excretory organs, and it's like what I can always tell you, the most powerful kidney organs, excretory organs, kidneys. And the third thing which I normally try to take into account is the skin. The skin is the largest excretory organ of the body, and most of us are not sweating properly. We are not sweating. We are being in a kind of usually the way we try to, most of the people, when I see a lot of patients with chronic diseases, I see a lot of them having some kind of problem, the way they don't sweat at all. And the fourth one is respiration. So the exchange of carbon dioxide, oxygen gets it. So these are the 4 excretory organs. So when we work on this particular thing, we do believe there are some areas which work intrinsically. And yes, I work on some area called detoxification. And for me, if I am able to reduce the body burden of these heavy metals or something like that from the body, most of the chronic diseases, they start, it's very easy to manage once we do that. So we try to target on some of the areas where we are working on this. Usually I try to target something like aluminium. I try to work on arsenic, cadmium, lead, bisphenols, parabens, lot of all this kind of things which we take into consideration. And the last and the most important, which I didn't utter, is that mercury. So this is the kind of approach we are taking, and by this approach we are able to get into managing this particular chronic diseases without causing, because we had never understood why, even after a diabetic who is a he takes his medicines regularly, he is going for a walk, he tends to keep his blood sugars always normal, why the hell he is getting into diabetic neuropathy? Why does he is getting into diabetic food? in spite of maintaining everything normally. So you need to look into this perspective where I just tell everyone, as you are keeping the skin clean, we try to work with this chelation therapy, trying to keep yourselves clean. And we are very clear here. I'm trying to reduce your lead burden from the body, trying to reduce your mercury burden. Whatever may be the reasons this heavy metals has come into your system, that's a secondary. But once you have got this toxicity, it is necessary to see that you need to get rid of all these stuffs. It's a phased manner. It's not done over a day or something like that. We try to work on a scale and try to work first understanding what are the patient's requirements and all that, what is his buffers, and how are the other minerals working with him. We try to work with his other stats also. So this process, what we have been working is a very simple way, and the kind of results what we got was phenomenal. See, irrespective of a person, the diagnosis, somebody comes to me with a cardiac insufficiency. Cardiac insufficiency is, I just give a simple thing. They may present with angina, they may present with arrhythmias, they have hypertension, they have intermittent claudication. All these things, what I'm working on this, I'm just trying to reduce the body burden of lead, and once the body burden of lead is decreased, they are no more hypertensives, they don't have that intermittent claudication, distance goes kind of thing improves, they are not having angina, and their arrhythmias also are resolving. So big tick, and I certainly believe that I'm not trying to be on this particular stuff. Okay, yeah, we treating cardiac disease and all that. I'm just trying to clean up your system. Once I clean up your systems, everything falls into place. Your serum cholesterol gets into a normal thing. Like that, we never thought we are getting this kind of results. We were doing something in the cases of Alzheimer's, dementia, senile dementia, not yet diagnosed. But we started reducing this body burden levels. The moment we started reducing this body burden, and this patient starts improving, it was a kind of moment for us that the patient starts understanding things. He's talking. The patient is not talking properly. He remembers things and all that. It was a kind of thing. The easiest thing, the first, I don't want to get into kind of this one. I'm not trying to treat what exactly is being written and what are the protocols which are given for. I'm not talking about all the stuff. What I believe is, yes, there is a need because of this kind of rampant pollution, the kind of environmental toxins what we are facing today. We need this kind of therapies in a more of a kind of numbers. We need that more in number. We were showcasing our cases. There are some of the cases which were totally told there is 4 antihypertensive medications and still something is not improving. So this is something which I believe everyone should look into this, trying to work with this detoxification, because what I had seen, this detoxification has helped my patients who are having a label of cardiovascular problems, patients who come to me with allergies, patients who come with me with cancers, patients who come to me with a simple autoimmune problems and all that. The moment I start reducing the body burden of these heavy metals, there is a significant increase in the symptomatology and the kind of they are not on that particular. A patient with autoimmune problems is known, it's normally they just keep on and on with all that symptomatic therapies, and so once we started on this, they didn't require this particular stuff. This is how we are trying to work on a thing called integrative medicine, and yes, this is our approach. Thank you.